YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can configure CamTel internet settings, 5G, 4G, 3G in Cameroon. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this in Cameroon. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem with the setup, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through that specific problem. So in the first step, I request you guys to like the tutorial and then open your phone settings. And in your phone settings, you're going to go connections, or you're going to go and then search the access point names. But I do recommend you guys to go step by step by going connections, and then in your connections choose mobile networks, and then mobile networks kindly select access point names. Now in the access point names, you're going to come press where you see a press button, and then the name we're going to use CamTel, and then 5G. Even if your phone is a 4G phone, for 5G speeds, kindly choose it is CamTel 5G, like that, so that you can be able to access the 5G speeds. So the APN you're going to be using internet in that way. The proxy, don't set it, but the port you're going to use 443, and then the username you're going to also use CamTel. The password, use CamTel, or you can leave it as it is. And then the server, you're going to use www.youtube.com, and then select OK. The MMS proxy, don't set it. The MMS port also use 443. The MCC you're going to use 625. The MNC you're going to use 02, and then the APN type we're going to set default. By doing that, you do have set up your CamTel internet settings in Cameroon. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial with your friend. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.